Centering text perfectly in the middle of a page is a common requirement for title pages, certificates, or flyers. While horizontally centering is a single click, vertical centering is tucked away in the page setup menus. So first, if you want to center the text horizontally from left to right, first you need to type your text. Select it, go to the home and make it bigger and use the font to the Arial black. And now then again go to the home tab and in the paragraph group you need to click on this center icon. Let me undo that. You can also press Ctrl plus E all together to make it the center from left to right. However, if you want to center vertically from top to bottom, then you need to go to the layout and click on the margins and click on the customs margin. So in the page setup section, you need to click on this layout tab and here you will see that the page and vertical alignment, you need to make it center. In the apply to drop down at the bottom, you need to click on whole document as well. And if you want to this point forward, you can also select this option, but I'll be selecting whole document. And now click OK to apply and here it is. So this way you can easily align text center vertically and horizontally in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.